Hello everyone and welcome to Jack's Aviation. Today I'll be unboxing a Qatar Airways A350-900 model aircraft from Phoenix Wings. So let's get straight into the unboxing. This aircraft is a part of the 1:400 scale Platinum series from Phoenix Wings and is a limited edition aircraft. Here's our first proper look at the aircraft, and I must say it looks very nice. I love the contrast between the maroon writing and the grey body. The detail is also pretty accurate, with it having lots of small details like the One World sticker next to the door and the antennas and Wi-Fi boxes on the top of the aircraft. The registration on this aircraft is A7ALD, which is a 10-year-old Airbus A350-900 solely operating for Qatar Airways since June 2015, when it was built and delivered at the Toulouse Airbus factory. Now let's have a look at the bottom of the aircraft. It's quite simple, with just the Qatar logo and registration on the wings. This aircraft will be placed in my model airport of Perth International, holding on runway 03. I hope you like this model unboxing and make sure you like and subscribe for many more great videos like these.